epoxied the flat wood onto the magnet, gave it some time to dry. When it was no longer tacky, I cleaned up the mess a little bit and wrapped the magnet in a piece of tape. Now it is time to wind the magnet. I have a manual winder here. I've already got, this is the neck pickup. Have it attached to my platform on the winder with some double-sided sticky tape. I'm gonna feed in some 42 gauge wire on this and sit here and wrap it however many turns it takes. Oh, and it broke. Broke the wire. Here in my hand. You know what that means? Gotta start over. And there we have it. However many turns that was, I just had to take off. Let's try again. Steady. To learn what this measures. If it's around 3, I'll be happy. Certainly not expecting it to read 10. Since this is the first pickup I've ever made, I have no basis of experience to guess. Just check time on the video. About 53 minutes into this video. And I'm going to guess that I've been winding for 45 minutes, somewhere around there. And it broke. So I guess I'm done. Alright. Guess that's the deciding factor when the wire breaks. 2.37. Alright. Didn't even make 3. I was hoping for 3. Very low output. This is going to be extremely low output. That's okay. My first hand-wound pickup. Guess I should hope to do better on the bridge pickup. 2.37 k ohms is not really adequate, so I decided to rewind the pickup. This one turned out much better. Wax potted it, and after the wax dried, I shellacked the pickup as well. 4.03 k ohms. So this is the neck pickup, and we're going to call this complete.